Yeah, a very good morning to Ross. Good morning to Ross. And this is a new week, and we are seeing new facts emerging on the chart. Yesterday, I dropped a very brief update for Ross on our WhatsApp group, telling us what to expect. I told us precisely that if Bitcoin opened the new week below 22,400, the prices will be dragged down. But if we open above 23,000, we're going to see some form of bullish momentum coming in and pushing the price of Bitcoin to the prices of 25,000, which have been our target for some time. Now, take a look at what has happened here in the chart today. What we are seeing here is that the price of Bitcoin has opened above the trend line of $23,000. And since then, it has moved to the current prices where it is right now. This is quite simple and interesting. The chart do not lie. The chart will always give us the facts, and we will base always, as usual, our decision on what we are seeing on the chart. Now, there is something I want to bring our way before we move forward. A lot of people are carried away with what the prices of cryptocurrencies are doing right now. A lot of the cryptocurrencies in the market within this short period of time, I've done 100x. Sorry, I've done 100%, 200%, 300%, 400%. SPI has even done above 500%. All right. Now, this will bring some kind of FOMO, and people are going to be caught off guard. This is not the rally that will take us out of the bear market. Take note. This is not the rally that will take us out of the bear market. The reason is because we have not yet built a base. Come on. We are Wyckofians, and we know what it means for market to move out of macro accumulation range. They have to be a structure. A structure must be built. A foundation must be built upon which the prices will consolidate, range for some time, form a beautiful structure, and then move to the upside, breaking out, moving into the bullish market. Come on, this is not the rally that will push us out of the bear market. When it comes, I will always keep us on the know. I will always tell us, I will always inform us about that. This is just a bear market rally, so don't be carried away. All right, let me move now. I've been telling us something for a very long time. What I've been telling us is about the relief rally that we should see in 2 consecutive months, that is in the month of July and in the month of August. As I speak to you, the month of July, we saw exactly as we predicted it. We predicted it, we said it, because we went back to history. We saw that every time we have 3 months of consecutive rally, we also had 2 months of consecutive relief rally. Every time we had 3 months of consecutive downtrend, we also have 2 months of consecutive uptrend. And the month of July came exactly what we said happened. We had a complete rally in the month of July, from around the prices of 18,000 to the prices of 24,000. And here we are right now in the month of August, which we have 23 days and 16 hours left for this month to finish, meaning that we are very early in this month. We are seeing the price of Bitcoin already opening on top of a very strong trend line, meaning that the chances for us to see Bitcoin moving to 25,000 is very much on the table right now. Chances have increased for Bitcoin to move to the prices of 25,000. Now, when we get to 25,000, probably to the 26,000 level, Bitcoin at that point, listen to me, will choose a new trend, and we are going to keep us on the know. We don't know yet, but what we know is that Bitcoin is going to choose a new trend. Likely, we are going to come to the downside once again, trying to establish this base and this foundation that I'm telling us about. Now, this is what I have to share with us. Pay attention on the chat. We don't pay attention to the so-called news they out there, because the news out there, they are not the cause. They are not the cause of what the market does. They are not the cause of what the market does. They are not the cause of the, a price action that we see in the market. They are only an effect. Technically, we have already seen. Imagine how long we saw these 2 months of consecutive rally. For a very long time, we saw these 2 months of consecutive rally. And again, I'm telling us that after these 2 months of consecutive rally, the price of Bitcoin is likely to choose a new trend. And again, I've also told us that we have not yet moved into the rally. This is not the rally that will take us to the bull market. Take note, because we have not yet constructed a base. The structure has not been built yet, according to Wyckoff. Remember. All right. Now this is where I'm going to pause it for today. And before I go, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell. The content that we give to you here are content that gives you education on how to understand price movement, how to understand the chart. Listen, when I started newly, I lost a lot of money trying to trade the market, and I learned from my mistakes. And now I am where I am because of the several mistakes I have made before. I do not want you to make those mistakes. I do not want you to experience those pitfalls. That is why I am keeping you on the toes, keeping the chart very simple for you to understand, keeping the analysis very simple for you to understand, so that you can make well-informed decisions. You don't throw your money to the garbage. All right. Subscribe once again to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get our videos real time. Below, you are going to see the link to register, and buy your Zenith minting up, which we are using to mint, Zenith coin on a daily basis. And also, we are going to start minting to pan token this month of August with that same up, and more token will be coming on top of that same up. That same up, we're going to be using it to mint a lot of other projects. So I do not want any one of us to miss out of that. That is a long-term sustainable passive income in cryptocurrency. I have never seen any project. This is the time for you to take advantage of it. In the future, I will remind you about it. All right, bye for now. Have a nice time. See you in my next video.